Guys, I have great news. And we're doing a giveaway. Yep. Sorry if I look horrible today because I just woke up and I look ugly. I have no makeup. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And so, this is Computer Animal Jam. If you have only AJ Play Wild, sorry. Just kidding, no. I'm also doing an AJ Play Wild giveaway. And so, yeah. For the AJ Play Wild giveaway, I'm going to give away reindeer tail for first place. Second place, you could get, let's see, a flower umbrella. They're beta. And third place is going to be, wait, did I just say third place? Well, second place is going to be a flower umbrella, and third place is going to be a Trojan horse for the AJ Play Wild. So, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna flash the screen in 3, 2, 1, boom! Sorry if you could hear Mickey Mouse in the background. Do this. Can't see. Look at that. That's my user. That's the best user that you ever saw before. Let's get to the giveaway. Oh yeah. Yes! Yes! Do it! Do it! Just do it! You can see me. Hi. Come on. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, oh. Dude, it's taking forever. Can you ever do it? Sorry, this is the very, very, very slow computer. So we won't do things that much. Yes, yes, we're on. We're on. Oh my god, that's a creepy jammer right there. Okay, let's get to this giveaway. Okay, we gotta cover this. Oh, yes, yes, I got a diamond. Yes, yes. Oh my god, I can get a pet rooster. Sorry, I got a little bit crazy there. Now let's go to my luck and get that rooster. Where the heck is my mouse? Yes, I got a diamond. Let's get this pet rooster. And I'll tell you how to get these pet kangaroos. Let's get this pet rooster. Pet rooster, I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. Where is it? Rooster? Rooster, you better not crash. Yes, yes, it happened. Oh, I can make more pet kangaroos. Amazing. Okay, let's go up and get my rooster. Roosters! You're my fave. You know what? He's gonna be my babe. You're my babe. Let's randomize. Because he's gonna be my babe. Kind of too ugly. I don't like it. I want him to have, like, designs. I kind of like that, but here, Hold on. Okay, I saved it. Where is that? I'm gonna try to do this. Oh, no. No, 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 no. That and that. And that could be good. Where is it? I'm gonna try. You know what? I'm raging right now. I gotta make him kawaii, because kawaii means awesomeness. Yes, I love him. I'm now Wisteria Moon. Ooh, I like that. I like that. And let's do my pattern. I like that. Now let's name him. I'll turn off my camera while I name him because it's gonna be forever. Sorry. Da, 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 da. There! No! 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 It's moving by itself. What? Okay, guys, that was a glitch. That was a glitch. This thing right here was glitching. I want to name it Go, but it's named Go. There we go. No, that one. Bye. Where is it? Where is it? Bye. Bye. Yay, I got a pet rooster. His favorite food is you. You're not probably my friend no more. His favorite toy, Bugnet, and personality, sensibility. Friday, March 17th, 2017, which is Happy St. Patrick's Day. Woo! Yep. Now let's get to this giveaway. My computer will crash soon. Okay. Okay, so I have a lot of these rare items that I might be giving away, which is Rare Item Mondays. Okay, let's get to first place. First place will get one of these rares, which is going to be a mystery. You could get rare polka dot tuxedo, friendship, cowboys. And this second place will get royal gauntlets, and third place would get a Frankenstein mask. Okay, so please leave your names or usernames in the comments down below and tell me what do you like about the Roosters, and what do you like, and what's your favorite holiday? Okay? Yeah. Thank you and goodbye.